trade update, guys, on the $5,000 challenge account. The first week I traded on this account, I make 4% plus. But this week was literally insane for me. I literally lost, 2 trades in a row, and right now we've lost the 4% profit we made. We've lost it, and we even down 1% on this challenge account. But it is what it is. Let me break down the pay I took, the setup I took, for you to drop your thoughts in the comment section right now, and as well learn one or two about this trade, about trading. With that being said, let's go. All right, guys, so let me break down the exact same trade that make me lose $100, just today right now. So top the analysis, let's be fast about that. On the weekly time frame, you can see that NZD card is literally bullish, with this one being the higher low and this one being the higher high. And since the fact that weekly is bullish, what should we expect? We should be looking for opportunity to buy, right? But if you come to the daily time frame, you can see that daily is literally bearish. This, even the previous day literally closed with bearish engulfing. That shows us that a good reason for us to sell as well, because you can see that weekly and daily is literally contradicting themselves, with this one being the higher low, higher high, lower low, because it's literally close above the structure. So this market is literally bearish. But when we scale to the 4-hour time frame as well, you can see that it's even more clear that NZD card right now is literally bearish. The fact that we have these two time frame that in sync, the daily and the 4-hour is literally bearish, even if the weekly time frame is bullish, that we can say, right? So when we scale down to the entry time frame as well, I also find my entry signal, but this trade literally just ended up being a losing trade. If you come to the 30 minutes, you are going to see very clear that we literally closed with a bearish engulfing right here. That's the reason why I took this. We literally closed bearish engulfing right here, and immediately I took this. We literally moved to profit, and after some while, the news I don't just know what literally happened, and literally blow my stop loss, and I literally lost. Nothing is 100% sure when it comes to trading. Alright, guys, let me break down my Euro AUD trade that I lost as well. Let me do this breakdown. I'm going to be fast about that. On the weekly time frame, you can see clearly that is literally bearish, and if you go back to the daily, it is as well bearish as well. Literally bearish with this one being, here is it. Yes, lower low, higher high, but you can see this red candle, the market literally closed below it. That's why it's literally bearish right now. And I scroll down to the 4 hours as well, and on the 4 hours as well, I can see that this market is literally bearish as well, with this one being the the lower low, lower high. Market closed under this structure as well, so that makes it more bearish, and is retraced back to this area of interest. I literally clear of the area of interest, but I'm gonna be plotting it later with that area of interest. And if I could go into maybe 1 hour or the 30 minutes, you can see a very clear shift of structure. And I literally took this trade and went down in profit a little bit, and I ended up closing this trade in loss. And it is what it is. I took 2 losses this week, but next week we go again. On challenge account, we will try it down -1%, from profit cents in profit to -1%, and it is what it is, guys.